Hey loves, welcome back to yet another video in the new year 2024. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Crying with Mobile. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the continuous support, and if you're a newbie here, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button down below. We are like 4 subscribers away, or 3 to 400 subscribers. Thank you so much for everyone who's been helping on in July. So thank you. So in today's video I'll be doing I'll be dyeing my hair. I am so because I'm getting rid of the blonde. I've had the blonde for the past 2-3 years now. 3, I'm pushing it, I think past 2 years. So now I'm getting rid of it and we'll be dyeing purple. So it comes with, let me just review everything, and then it comes with a developer, colorante, a conditioner obviously, shining serum. Okay, so get it data cool face like shining serum natural hair, let this lightening powder. So I feel like I'm gonna have to, I think this is to bleach your hair or this color a pop. I bought this dye 2020, imagine it expired no March 2024, and I was like, let me just, because I've been contemplating all along best before 2024, so I'm just gonna use it now. Come on, get it gloves. So I think I'm gonna bleach my hair. My hair is gonna hate me so much. Oh my god. No, I'm gonna, that's how my hair looks now. Like the blonde hair, it's all like a sharp kind, and I feel like a sharp kind. So I'm just gonna bleach. I've already parted my hair into sections, see. So I think now I'm gonna bleach, and then after bleaching we're going straight into the color. I'm gonna bleach off camera. I have an old video that I'm gonna link the video down below. Ne? Hey, na. So I'm gonna Mama Bo. So this is how it looks. Now I'm gonna wash it off. Ipila. I'm gonna wash it off, and then we'll see what it's all young. Like, I don't want to stress. I don't have time to stress. So I've had people ask me why that I have bleached and my hair doesn't fall off. and the answer to that is that I consistently apply treatment to my hair. So my go-to is this one here, Auntie Jackie's coconut cream. What? Please apply treatment to your hair. Like, apply treatment to your hair. Treatment with the deep conditioner, it just strengthens your hair, or it's a break or anything like that, yabo. So my go-to deep conditioner, Auntie Jackie's Cocoa Repair Coconut Cream Deep Conditioner. This is how it looks. It retails for something called clicks, but Sweet Penny I got it for $89.99. So it's much more cheaper for Sweet Penny compared to buying it at Clicks discount. And there's these affordable ones, Sako soft and smooth, easy soft and smooth. This is the deep protein treatment, and this is the 5-in-1 hair growth treatment. So yeah, I got a good plug. These retail for 30 rand each. 30 rand. I got them from discount. So yeah, now I'm just gonna rinse off the shampoo and then conditioner, and then I'm gonna come back and apply the deep conditioner. After more, we have to wait for my hair to dry. I'm gonna leave this on for an hour on my hair, wrapped up ka plastic, and then after we moisturize our hair. Oh guys, get me. But I don't think I need to moisturize, considering I have to dye. The question is it safe to dye same day to bleach it? I've never done that, because normally I bleach today and then dye tomorrow or after 2 days. let me just continue with the wash day, and then yeah. I need to go. I'm not going section to section. There's no time. Like, I'm so glad my hair didn't fall off. Because the way the lightning powder I removed. Because before I was done, this side was already like bleached. Let me try to detangle it now because it feels so soft. And then yeah, I'm going to see you guys when I apply the color. Bye. Hey loves. This is a Thursday. Kitty day. 24th of January. So I couldn't dye yesterday because I googled and apparently it's not safe to bleach and dye. So I just had to wait a couple more hours. And it's only recommendable after 24 to 48 hours after you've bleached. Yeah, well, and it's less than that for me, but I have to dye today because I want to plait my hair. I couldn't yesterday, but today is just the deadline. I have to plait my hair. Well, it's now 11 minutes past 4, and I'm just gonna dye my hair, and then yeah, I have a long day today. I have to do some shopping and so for the dye, this is the, and I'm gonna mix it with this developer. So it's all mixed. Let me just put my gloves because my nails. Guys, bleach looks horrible on your hair. Side note, please don't risk like this if you don't mind cutting your hair. Should things go sideways. So this is how we're looking. This is how much is left. So okay, maybe eyebrow because why is it? So I'm just gonna cover it with a plastic and then we'll see what it's up. So I'm gonna wash it up, guys. I'm so sleepy. I feel so sleepy. Like it's like a rock. I don't know how to feel. I went in with this botanic conditioner, so I'm just gonna let it sit for like 10 minutes. Alright, okay. So I'm just gonna let those conditioners set and then quickly cover and then just moisturize and just do the mini twist. So yeah. So this is how we're looking. I don't know how to feel. So I feel like it's too much of a purple. I can't do. But yeah, I'm impressed with the results. Coils, curls, and coils. Like I could take it around me. I think maybe when it's all afro like, then that's when I feel like, But for now, this is how.
baby, my Valentine. Yeah. Can I you make you my temperature the rise? If you leave me, I could die. I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Your love ain't it, totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your body. Your body never can she. Open up, make I see. You're my love, 160. If you make it bad, now sing.
Okay, the problem might be the carbs. Some things are like a bit big. I've had it last time. But the dress is nice. I love it. But yes, I love. Okay, this jumpsuit. Gonna get that top. It's sick. The problem is I can't zip because it's a 28, and I feel like the 30 is gonna make it look bigger more because already this part is bigger. But it has so much potential. It's just not potentiating enough. It's fine. It's fine.
It's your one and your Weezy, man, this shit too easy. Different bitch for every season, showing me that cleavage. I take drugs and feel relaxed, it's like that therapeutic. She take that pussy, I don't call back, so she won't think I need it. I stick deep inside her throat, it ain't no more breathing. If I don't post and I go ghost, it's gon' be for a reason. Just got my reading, and my reasons, I'm booked out the region. This jury call on me, I'm freezing, no way I'ma need it. Put up to the photo, man, this shit too easy. Y'all gon' chop a brick.
It's different. It is smart, young Carl. Eu que para que vou ler ganhar na rua. Hey. As I know, the top I'm taking just needs a bra. The skirt, nope. But I'm taking the top because I have a skirt that would work nicely with it. Same with this top. So these are 100 rand for 3. Actually smell amazing. Ito yung lagi berkisari. To this one. Is that the thing? I'm feeling uncomfortable. I had a dream about you. I recommend this one. You get BB. And this one. Or even this one, because I got it. We get a part to it. That's that one. Income at there. Telling me that.
If they like with the chop or the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh, yeah, come bear no. But so plain bear more. You go do your one time, I'll be for one time, I'm not to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man, no, they walk up. Man, no, be God. Babe, when they talk up, I see they fly like helicopter. Nobody grace I've got an inshallah with them move. Question, but then you get the answer. Question, but then you get the answer. Question, but then you get the answer. Question, but then you get the answer.
What's up with the container or child on YouTube? Ayun siya, may nasa sample. Baka mo bigyan.
Umi lang ko container. Show me the container.
Anything you wish me, that be a portion.
Yes, darling.
Alam ko din pinangkatang gising sa di nang ko fall. Pero di nang ko fall.
But then look at the answer. Question, 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 but then look at the answer. When you go in, question, but then look at the answer. Answer.